So, I'm back. Galing ako sa labas at nag-trip store ako at mayroon din akong binili sa Daiso. So, let's drink. Actually, this is not wine, this is not a beer, this is a jasmine tea. My favorite jasmine tea, okay? So, grabe, biglang bumuhos ang ulan, everyone. Kaya dumiritso na lang ako sa Matsudo. At pagdating ko sa Matsudo, dumaan ako dito kasi gusto ko nga, sabi ko, kain na lang ako ng potato fried kasi ang lakas ng ulan, mamaya na ako uwi. So, sabi ko, ay, daan muna ako sa buko, tingin muna ako. And then, nung umakyat ako doon, may nakita na naman ako. So, maya, pakita ko, inom muna ako, sandali lang. At ewan ko lang talaga, wala katapusan mga kinakailangan ko. So, this is what I got. And first of all, I found these shades. And I think bagay sa akin. So, okay. Unahin na natin tong. Actually, especially for you, this lovely day. Actually, noon is 1,322 but nung nag-market ako doon sa itaas, naging 550 na lang. And talagang gusto ko talaga ito noon pa, pero lang ayaw ko siyang bilhin kasi mahal siya. No? Para sa akin, mahal yung 1,000 plus. 1,000, pag umangat na yan ng 1,000 yen, mahal na yan sa akin. So, no. So, and then, if you are buying a trip, so everyone, you make sure talaga na talaga yung mga gamit, talagang makikita mo talagang not used. So, this is the get cup, everyone. Mayroon pa siyang flower, how cute! And then, gusto ko talaga yung cup na ganito, everyone. Look at the color. Look at the color in this cup. Mayroon pa siyang spoon. Oh, mayroon siyang spoon. Oh. No, this is a coffee cup or tea cup. So, look at the color. Bagay ka, ganito, princess, my God. So, look at the handle, oh, very gold. Oh, bagay sa akin. My God, I love it. Kaya, 550 na lang, not bad. So, not bad. The price is not bad. And then, mayroon pa siyang takip. Oh, look at the takip. It's so cute. So, ay, parang ganun pala siya. So, parang ganun siya. Sandali lang. Ayusin natin. So, parang ganun in the morning. Sandali lang. Natuwad. Sandali lang. So, in the morning. So, habang mayroon pa akong ginagawa. So, like this. And then, this is my morning flower. So, good morning, Miss Red. So, like this. So, ang cute. How romantic naman. Siguro mayroon siyang mayroon sigurong binigyan. Gilwalay siguro sila. Kaya, bininta na lang niya to. Tama ba ako? Kaya, happy na lang to die. So, it's so cute. It's a gift set. Cup. So, that's not bad. And this one is, gusto ko talaga na, naghanap talaga ako ng ganito, everyone, na lagayan ng mga kung ano, kasi marami kasi akong mga gamit na mga for hair, for makeup, like panty, napkin, whatever. So, parang, I think isahan talaga to. And then, meron siyang tali-tali. So, I think it's so cute. And then, I like the color. So, this is the one. So, makeup pouch. I think this is not 500 yen. The price is, nandun ang price. And this one, I found this one, macro led flashlights. This one for cellphone. This one is for cellphone, everyone. Like this one, everyone. Kung nakikita nyo, like this one. Parang, i-ano siya sa cellphone. And look at this, the color. So cute. It's a pink. It's a pink talaga. So, parang siyang ganito, everyone, na i-clip sa cellphone. And then, mayroon siyang LED lights. So, it's less 1,000 yen. I buy this one. So big deal price talaga. And so cute. The color is pink. I'm so obsessed with this color. Wala lang, nakita ko lang to. Kasi naisipan kong gumawa ng kutsinta or maha blanca. And then nakita lang ako because the price is a very cheap one. Na you can see the mayroong heart, mayroong star, mayroong ganun. It's a jelly molds. So wala lang, cute lang siya. So I buy this one. And the color also, I like the color. So yeah, I buy this one. Gagawa ko ng maha ng mga heart design, star design, anything. Oh, ganyan. I buy this one at Daiso because gagawa ko ng salad for tomorrow. Dahil nag-request si Jenny ng salad. And then I buy this towel. Hello everyone, I'm here at Minam Kashiwa today. So let's go shopping. Actually, meron ako pinupuntahan dito na Daiso. And also have some boutique and treasure factory here, everyone. So, this is Minam Kashiwa store and have a big Daiso. So, mamaya punta tayo ng Daiso. Punta muna ako ng treasure factory. Mag-treasure hunting muna tayo. So, this is Honey Boutique. So, pauwi na ako, everyone. Actually, dumiritso ako dito sa Matsudo. And this is Matsudo Station. And then, I found this at the store. And yeah, this is my shopping haul day for today. So, ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Actually, gusto ko sana kumain ng McDonald's. But, uwi na lang ako. Dahil marami pa akong gagawin. So, this is my trip shopping haul day. See you later! Tama pala ako. So, hinanap ko siya kung saan siya mag-on and off. So, dito lang pala, everyone. So, i-push mo to. Tapos, mag-iba-iba yung kulay. Yan. Dito. Uy! Dito pala siya. So, tama pala. Kinabahan tuloy ako bigla. Tinapon ko pa naman yung basura ang resibo sa basurahan. No? So, thanks God! At nalaman, talagang napaka-genius ko talaga. I love myself. Thank you, self. You're so smart. No? So, yeah. This is all about today. And thank you so much. And wala lang, pinaalam ko lang sa inyo dahil baka nag-worry kayo. I'm buying broke. I'm broke already. And broke pa yung nabili ko. So, broke na talaga ang lahat. So, it's not nice. So, okay lang pala siya, everyone. So, I'm sure talaga na maging bongga na talaga at maging beautiful na talaga ako sa aking mga vlog dahil meron na akong LED lights on my phone.